Connection problem. They serve graphic website.
Hi James, can you take a look at this?
Okay, sure. But did they say what's the problem?
I think there's some connection problem, but I'm not very sure.
Connection problem. They serve graphic website.
No lah. I heard they were searching about interior design, I think.
Interior design?
Yeah. You know anything?
Actually, interior design, they should just go to Renopedia. It's a very good platform. I won't hang one, Renopedia.
Oh, I heard of Renopedia before. It's a very good website for homeowners, right?
Yeah, it's the leading online renovation platform.
Okay, I let them know later. But can you tell me how long it will take to fix this? Because they are rushing me.
You ask me how long? 5 minutes.
You sure not? 5 minutes.
Okay lah. 25 minutes.
Okay, 25 minutes.
Okay,
Sure, confirm?
sure, confirm, guarantee.
Okay. I'll let them know.
Okay.
Thank you. Hi, how's the progress? Is it done?
Perfect.
Perfect.
You can pass to the owner. And I tell you, you better tell the owner to serve graphic website already. Want interior design? Go Renopedia. It's an online renovation platform. You can find the best interior design for and best deal. Got chance win out to $50,000.
Okay, can. Thank you so much, Ro. Thank you.
Most
I go tell them
welcome.
now.
Having issue finding the right interior designer? Sign up with Renopedia now and you won't have such a problem. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.